Hi and welcome to Priori Digital Studio tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use your bullet journal spreadsheet in the most efficient way. In this video, I am using Google Sheets, but the Excel version is exactly the same. First, unlike our other products, this spreadsheet is not protected. We intentionally left it unprotected to give you the flexibility to easily customize the colors and charts to match your preferences. We also established a color code to show you which cells should be edited and which one we do not recommend. So as mentioned, you can edit everything, but we suggest you only edit the cells with a white background. Another small warning, please don't move a cell from one place to another. If you do move a cell, it could generate an issue by messing up the automation of the spreadsheet. The best way to avoid these errors is to copy and paste your data. So now let's take a look at the Index tab. The Index tab is your control center to easily navigate from one journal to another. The spreadsheet is separated into 4 different tabs, which represent 4 big themes of your life. So personal and self-care, health and fitness, finance and budgeting, as well as lifestyle and creativity. The first step in this tab is to define the year of the spreadsheet. So simply use the drop-down menu to select a year. In our situation, we will keep it to 2025. You'll then see 4 tables, each corresponding to one of the 4 tabs of the spreadsheet. The gray cells represent fields we recommend not modifying as they are directly linked to entries in the specific journal. For example, if I click on Anxiety Tracker in the Personal and Self-Care section, then it automatically brings me to the right section of the spreadsheet. If you want to easily come back to the index page, you could click on the tab name at the bottom or simply on the index button at the top. Now that you know how to navigate from the index, let's explore the personal and self-care trackers tab in details. So let's take a look at the mood tracker section. For demonstration purposes, we've pre-populated 6 months of sample data to show you how the tracker works in practice. To log your own daily ratings, simply find the date you want to enter a mood and then double-click on the cell to display the drop-down menu with its options. In Excel, you do not need to double-click on the cell. Simply click once first on the cell and then click on the small arrow to display the drop-down menu. So then simply select the mood and click somewhere else. So that's it. The cell is now color-coded and your journal is up to date. As you can see, your entries also auto-populate 2 charts. So the first one is the annual mood tracker, for example, a bar chart showing monthly trends. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the mood breakdown, a pie chart displaying mood distribution. So these 2 charts were also adapted to all the other trackers. You'll follow the same logging process for all the other trackers within the journal. If you would like to print your tracker, you can do so. So to do so, simply select the tracker you'd like to print, then click on the print icon. Choose selected cells, and we also recommend using the portrait mode for best results. And then simply click on next, and then print. So for step-by-step instructions on printing in both Excel and Google Sheets, please refer to the README instruction files. It will give you many more information as well as pictures to help you print your journal. Additionally, when you return to the Index tab, you'll also notice that each category includes 3 custom links. These links lead to customizable journal sections, which can be found at the end of each corresponding tab. If you're using Google Sheets and want to rename a custom links in the Index tab, hover over the name you wish to edit, click on the small pencil icon, and update the name there. Please note, if you change the text directly in the cell, the link will be removed automatically, so avoid this option. In Excel, you can simply overwrite the text and the cell without affecting the link. So let's take an example in the sleep tracker. As you can see here, I can simply enter 5 options, and then this will be updated in the drop-down menu. Once the options are defined, you can simply update your sleeping tracker. Again, simply double-click, choose the options that you want to, and then as you can see, everything updates, as well as the 2 graphs. So that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you easily set up your spreadsheet. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any concerns or questions. Follow Priori Digital Studio on YouTube for sneak peeks on our new templates.